Count 1 is dismissed. Okay. Defendant is referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and recommendation. Sentencing in this matter will be January 14th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. Court does call the case People versus April Fleming.
Ashley Felton, people. Good morning. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Ms. Fleming, Ms. State your name for the record.
Sorry.
State your name.
April Joy Fleming.
I am asking for hopefully one last adjournment. We've been adjourning for medical records. We did get some medical records. Are waiting for records from Trinity Health. Hopefully I can get that mitigation over to the people and come to
Ms. Fleming?
Yes.
Were you huffing on Zoom?
I'm sorry?
Were you huffing?
No, I was not.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So if it was reported to me by 2 people that you were, they wouldn't be telling the truth?
I don't understand what you mean. Was I huffing when?
Today.
Today? No.
Where do you live?
I live at Chittister Place Apartments.
How long will it take you to get here?
I don't have a ride or anything. I don't know. To get there today?
Yeah, today. We saw you doing something you probably shouldn't have been doing.
What do you mean, sir?
Were you huffing?
Was I huffing just now? Like on camera? No.
Okay, today off camera, on camera, you've been huffing?
No.
Not at all?
No.
So if you came down here and I sent you over for a test, everything's gonna come back negative?
Yes.
It will?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna need to find a ride. I'm gonna need you down here.
Okay, sir. I don't know how I could get there.
Ms. Fleming, I'm gonna give you a call, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And counsel.
Ashley Feltus for the people. Good. Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Ms. Fleming. Say your name for the record, please.
April Fleming.
All right. Well, thank you for coming down. Ms. Fleming, I'm going to ask you again.
I did. I was.
You did what?
I huffed.
You were huffing. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
Why weren't you? Why were you lying to me when?
I panicked. I just panicked. I'm so sorry. I'm really, really sorry.
Ma'am, how frequently are you doing this? I mean, are you doing that every day?
Sometimes.
I mean, you're going to end up dying.
Can you give me
I
another
mean,
chance today, please?
Is that what you're trying to do? Are
No,
you trying to kill yourself?
no, I'm sorry. I just,
Okay, so, but how long have you been doing this?
about, I don't know. I've tried it off and on for a year or so.
Have you thought that you might need to get into some type of treatment or something? Have you?
I need to,
But you haven't done that.
I guess I haven't had anything like this happen. I, I plan on getting in touch with,
Who are you going to get into? You don't even know.
huh?
You don't even know who you're going to get in touch with.
Well, I know I have to speak to,
Well, I will say Miss Fleming does go to therapy at Huron Valley Consultants.
yeah,
As I've stated, we've been working on getting those medical records. I have reviewed some of those medical records. It indicates they do talk, and Miss Fleming's on methadone. We're still in the methadone program. So I do know, I will say that there are entries that they've had these types of conversations about her past use. So I think it's something that Miss Fleming knows that she deals with.
yeah.
Have you told them that you're huffing?
No,
You
I know I have to. I
Sure.
plan on speaking to my counselor today.
When's the next time you see your therapist?
I can see him tomorrow morning.
Okay, so Miss Fleming, here's what you got to understand. For me, when you tell me that you have an appointment, when you tell me all these things, it becomes hard for me to believe whether or not you're telling me the truth.
I understand that.
And that's because I asked you a series of times when you were on Zoom.
I freaked out. I should have said the exact truth. And I'm so sorry, Joyce Simpson. Please give me a chance today, please.
Well, Miss Feltus, you want to say something?
I do, Your Honor. Miss APA Cook was able to review the YouTube footage, and we shared with Miss Kearney a screenshot that did show the defendant with the canister in her hand. I recognize that canister to be what I commonly refer to as dust off or computer cleaner, a type of compressed air. I'm very familiar with this drug, and I know that any time that you use it, it can cause instant death. This is a drug that is extremely dangerous, and the way that this is being ingested can lead to long-term issues as well as immediate death. The brain can die every time you do this. I think it's clear the defendant's very scared. I think it's clear that she wants to change. She wants to stop using. I really want to see her again, Your Honor. I'm very worried that we're not going to see her again. I truly, truly want the court to hear that this coming in from a place of compassion and concern, not a place of bond violation. Is coming from a place for the people of actual concern. We will not see her. I am requesting that the court consider bond change with a release to treatment for her to get some help. But I do know that my experience with this drug and all the education I have surrounding drugs in general leads me to believe this is an extremely risky behavior. I ask the court to consider a bond change.
Please, Your Honor, please.
I do know Miss Fleming does have a medical team around her. She sees her primary care doctor consistently. As I stated, she is in therapy. I think everyone's concern for Miss Fleming is warranted, especially the circumstances that this arose out of. I'm happy to work with her and get information to the people in the court if the court allows her to stay out of custody. Obviously, if she's in custody, that will take place too. I'm just asking that the court consider letting us work on that while she's out of custody.
Please.
She does have some medical issues that, and that's partially why she sees her doctor so consistently. this is an old retail fraud. I do, it's, this case, I don't believe has anything to do with her use or anything like that. I just asked for
Well,
a chance
it
to let
might
something
though,
know.
because if she's been using for off and on, as she's indicated, a year, this offense is in June of this year.
Well, I mean, I don't know exactly how long I've been using it. It's been for some months now. I don't know if it's been a year exactly.
Okay, Ms. Fleming, here's how I know you're an addict. You tell me one thing, and then when all of a sudden that doesn't seem like that goes your way, you change your story. You did that in rather rapid shot fashion when you were on Zoom.
I'm so sorry.
No, Miss Fleming, sometimes things happen for a reason, and not all of them we like what happens, but they happen for a reason. And maybe it also goes to what Ms. Feltes said.
Please keep me out of custody today. Please, Judge Simpson, please. I'm begging you.
You can't stop.
I am stopping. I'm done. I promise. I
And
promise
here's
with
my
everything
problem,
in
Miss
me.
Fleming. Miss Fleming, here's my problem. You've already lied to me today, repeatedly. Repeatedly.
I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I got here as soon as you said, please to come down. I got right on the bus and I
Well,
came
it
here.
was either going to be, and I think you understood, if you didn't come down, we were going to come and get you because there was going to be a bench warrant.
Okay.